This will open up your Windows application. This is your Windows Phone. We need to add a database here. So in the Solution Explorer, right click on the database demo 1. That is your project. Click on the add. Click on the new item. One dialog box will be open. In that, click on the data. Click on the service-based database and click on add. On the right hand side, Solution Explorer, you can see one database is added. Now what we need to do, we need to add a reference for this SQL Express. Right click on the database demo pane. Okay. Okay. Right click on the Solution Explorer. Click on the Manage NuGet Packages. Here you can see the Browse button. The Browse. And here, just search for the system.data.sql client. Let it SQL client. Can you see the first one? Yes. On that. And click on the install. And the reference will be added for your SQL client. Click on the apply and accept. And now a reference will be added to the system.data.sql client. Now we are ready to go. Again, go to the form1.cs. We'll be first checking the database connectivity. Go to the view. Click on the server explorer. This is the database one. Right click on that. Click on that. Right. Go to the properties. Can you see the connection streak here in the properties? Just copy this. We need this. And the toolbox, I will be taking one button. Let us start coding. As a first, we need to add a reference to the namespace. See, data SQL client. And now inside the class, we will be first creating the connection object, right? The connection, it is an object that helps to connect the front end with the back end, right? And which namespace I have added SQL. So we need to add a SQL connection. CL equals to new SQL connection. Now inside the code, we will be just copy pasting the string, but before that, just add @ symbol. Don't want to add @ then we have to replace each and every one forward slash with the two forward slashes. Please show you. Okay, suppose @ is not here, then I have to replace all this with the two. Okay, so instead of doing that, we'll be just adding the @. So all the string will be accepted. Inside a button, just run the method of connection object. Inside the message box, I will write down connection is open. Semicolon is remaining lines. We add it. Whenever we are writing cn.open, once the work is done, not forget to write the cn.close. Let's run this. On the button. And if the message is like connected, means our connectivity is established. We are done. Now let us add the table inside the database. So inside Server Explorer, we can see the database 1.md. Expand this. Can you see the tables expanded? There are no tables right now. Let us add it. Right click on the tables. Add a new table. Right now I'm creating a simple table with the two values only. The table is added. Right click on that, remove the primary key and give the name as first name. The data type should be varchar first name, and give the last name. Continue varchar. We are done with this. Change the name of the table. Give you a table and give the name as a data and click on the update. The database will be updated. Table will be updated. Click on the updated database. Now let's refresh this. Can you see the data is added here? Okay. So there are two columns I have added, first name and the last name. Let us add two text boxes here. First label and label. Then add the text boxes. Second text box. Let us change the name. First name and last name. Let's change the location. First, I will be inserting the data. We are done. I'm making the font small and we are done. Now double click on the insert button. First, let us see the table. The table name is a data, whereas the column names are F name and L name. Okay, I want to insert the data from the text boxes to this table. Let us code. Scene.open. Message box, I'm just removing it right now. Now for inserting the data, we'll need to have the SQL command. SQL command cmd is equals to new SQL. Let us provide the insert command here. Insert into table name. What is the table name? Data. Values. The values will be passed on from the text boxes. So we need to have here a text boxes. Okay. Text box, just closing it. We have to concat. If the string is there, we have to put in like single quote, double quote, and then plus. And the concat the text box one dot text. And again plus double quote, single quote, comma, single quote, double quote, plus single quote. And to the CMD, we need to pass the second parameter. To the CMD, we need to pass the second parameter. Second parameter is C. This is some problem of closing. There was issue of that closing. Okay, and then for CMD, we need to use the method execute in non-query. Whenever we are working with insert, update, delete, make sure to use execute non-query. CMD.execute non-query. And then the message box dot show, I will write down data insert. Not close. Unmuted. Let us run this. Insert the data. Sure. Click on the insert. Data insert. Okay. Close this. Let's check whether data is inserted or not. So our Explorer, click on the refresh button. Data. It is refreshing. And click on the data and click on the show table data. And you can see Neha Shah, the data is inserted successfully. Okay, so we are done with the first one, that is insert. Let us add another functionalities also. I'm again taking one more button. This is the update. Let's write down the update code on this button. Part number one, cn.1 SQL command. Let's write down the update command here. H. What is the name of the table? Data. Sage. Run name is equals to this text box 2 dot text in plus quote where clause where f name is equals to this text box 1 dot text again single quote plus text box 1 dot text plus single quote. Let's close this. And again, and the second one is C. And again, use CMD HTML and message box. Now, here, this all work is done. Let's write down cn dot close. What I'm doing actually, I'm updating the last name on the basis of first name, right? In mind, we need to add a first name as per the data in the text box in the database, and then we will change the L name, right? The first name was given as a Neha. I will change that. Let us run the code. This name was change this in update. Data updated successfully. Let's check again. Refresh the table. Right click on the data. It is not refreshed. Now it is refreshed. And you can see the LM is updated. Then go to the form1.cs.design. Now I will be adding some data here. Data. Delete something. Add some random value, ABC, and the password as XYZ. I will be deleting this data. Let me just confirm whether data is added or not. Okay. Show table data. You can see ABC XYZ is added. Okay. Then go to form1.cs. Go to the toolbox. Click on the button. And this will be the delete button. So click on this button. First.cm.open. String command. cd equals to new string command. Pass the command here. Table name. Where f name is equals to single quote double quote plus stocks one dot plus cmd dot execute and again. Message box dot issue. Data deleted. cm dot distribute. So data is deleted.